Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a task template in Asana. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. And once you're in here, just select a project. For example, this one right here, a YouTube project. Okay. What we're going to do in here is just go ahead and go to the top right and click on customize. And then click on task templates. Just click on it and click on the plus icon. Now in here under content, we have add a template name. Just go ahead and type in the specific task. For example, create 50 YouTube videos. All right. If you want to select an assignee, just click on this one right here and invite someone. Now due date, click on the calendar icon. And for example, this is due in 14 days. All right. Once that's done, just click away and it will be saved. Projects. If you want to, you can go ahead and add this one to YT project. All right. If not, just leave it or close this one. Dependencies right here. You can go ahead and add in some dependencies and description. For example, here are the tasks like how to create a task template in Asana. All right. Once that's done, if you want to add in some subtasks, you have that in here, and collaborators, also some other editing stuffs. All right. Once that's done, just hit on the done button right here at the bottom right. Click on it, and as you can see here, it's been saved. We now have a task template. All right. For example, I'm going to want to use this one to board. Click on the plus sign right here at the top. And here we have a task template. Just click on it and it's added automatically. All right. If you want to delete the template, just go to the top right, click on customize and click on task templates. And here you have a 3 dots. Click on it and hit on delete. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.